everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Love Sundays. Look at where we are, twice in 1 week, back at the beach. As we didn't have much luck the other day getting in the water with the GoPro, it's all charged, ready to go, and I'm going to try this new mask out, which has got like a GoPro mount on the top of it, and let's just see how it goes. So today's episode is mainly going to be about being in the sea and the importance of just going for a swim, getting out there. Now when I was here yesterday, or it wasn't yesterday, so when I was here the other day, I did actually notice that there's quite a lot of little small jellyfish in the sea, so I'm hoping that if the GoPro footage comes out okay, that I should be able to get some footage of that, but we'll see that in a minute. It's going to be good anyway. Just got out of the sea, just tried one of these face snorkel masks with a GoPro on it. I didn't get on with it, it was a bit claustrophobic, so I'm going to head back in with a normal mask and just put the GoPro on the stick. I'll put the footage up so you can see the difference anyway. So all in all, I didn't get on with the full face mask at all. Kind of felt like Bane wearing it actually from The Dark Knight Rises. With recording with the GoPro on the selfie stick, that seemed to work fine. If you are interested in any of the gear that I use, I have linked it all in the description below. Another thing as well, one of the things I noticed when I was looking through my analytics the other day is that 14% of my views on this channel are from my subscribers. So that's 85% of my views have been from people that haven't subscribed. So it is a simple click of the button, guys. So if you could subscribe to the channel, that would help me out a lot. It'd be rude of me not to mention how good the clouds are today as well. Gotta love Cornwall. Yeah, that's about it for today. Hopefully you liked this video today. If you did, subscribe, leave a comment, share it and all that, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.